You may need to record a video on your computer that records your screen, but also records a video of you from your webcam. So to do this, you can use a free tool called Screencast-o-matic. Their website is screencast-o-matic.com. Once you get here, you'll click on the Start Recording for Free button. Then you'll click on Launch Recorder. You may get a dialog box that pops up, and you'll just have to click Open Screen Recorder Launcher v2.0. You may have to wait a few moments, but the recorder will launch. So when you begin recording with Screencast-o-matic, you will get this pop-up, and anything within the frames of this window are what's going to be recorded. So you may need to adjust the size of the window to match your PowerPoint presentation. You may need to adjust some of the narration settings. And also a couple of tips. When you're recording, you will get a 3, 2, 1 countdown. And in the lower left of the screen is a timer. Screencast-o-matic allows for 15 minutes. If you need to pause, you can use the pause button. There is a playback so that you can play back what you have already recorded. And if you've messed up really bad and feel like you need to start over, you can hit the trash can button to delete everything and start over. One thing to keep in mind is that it's okay if your presentation is not perfect. It can be helpful to write down a script to read off of, but it's all right if there's a couple of ums or ahs in your presentation. Now, for this specific project, you will be recording your screen and your webcam so that in the video, we'll be able to see what you're showing us and your face. To do this, in the record options, you will click on both, and then you will get a webcam indicator down in the lower left of your recording screen. So now you can see me making this video for you down in the lower right-hand corner of the video. You can move this around so that is in a spot that doesn't overlap any important stuff in your PowerPoint presentation. And next we're going to take a look at what it might look like to give a presentation with your webcam on in Screencast-o-matic. After you've recorded your video in Screencast-o-matic, you will need to make sure that you save it. And to do that, you will record however long you need to. And then when you click on Done, you'll click Save and you'll give it a file name and save it somewhere on your computer. What you'll have to do next is upload this video to YouTube. Down in the description of this tutorial is another link to a tutorial on uploading videos to YouTube. If you're not familiar with how to do that, check it out. And then you will just share the link to your YouTube video in whatever method that your instructor has asked you to do so. So let's take a look at an example of what it might look like to record your webcam and your screen for a presentation. What's up, all you cool cats and kittens? I'm Carol Baskin, and I'm here to show you about Big Cat Rescue down in Tampa, Florida today. Big Cat Rescue's mission is to provide the best home that we can for cats in our care, and ending abuse of big cats in captivity and prevent extinction of big cats in the wild. We're doing things that Joe Exotic would never do by keeping our cats safe. On the Big Cat website, you can take a quiz to find out which wildcat you are. On the next slide, I'll share my results. Look at that, I got Kimba the tiger. So if you want to learn more about Big Cat Rescue, definitely look us up on Facebook and don't watch that Tiger King documentary on Netflix. As always, if you have any questions, you can contact us by reaching out to the help desk at helpdesk@delhi.edu or by phone at 607-746-4835.